creative friend. It's Tracy Bautista, and I am here to just do a little fun behind the scenes peek at my new Wild Blooms collection of handmade, handcrafted, artisan water media pigment stones. These are packed with pigment, and you can use them in both wet and dry techniques. And a little bit of my watercolors. I've got a few different palettes here. I've got a glove on one hand and one just plain, because when I work with the pigment stones, I don't want to get it all on my fingers. So I just have a few pieces here on Strathmore mixed media paper, the one that has my art on the cover. This is the 400 series, and I am going to just do a little bit of playing. So this particular piece right here, it's part of my new Wild Blooms series. The collection is called Wild Blooms. The artwork is also in that theme, and I have a new painting live course that I'm going to be teaching some of these techniques, and I am mixing in a lot of different ideas and layers. And so this collection is actually all inspired by a trip that I took to Monet's garden at Giverny in France. And a lot of the mark making that I'm doing is inspired by the beautiful gardens there. So this is just a lot of layers of the pigment stones, a little bit of my watercolor, and some acrylic mediums, which I'm going to share more about in my Wild Blooms course. But you can get some really awesome techniques and lots of texture, because the pigment stones themselves have a variety of textures and different pigments in them. So it's very textured paint, very matte, because I also used matte medium and matte acrylic medium. And then this was just playing with some pencils. This is one of my inks, and then more of my watercolors. And so I am going to just dive in a little bit and paint. So let's have some fun, and I hope that you are inspired.